One early spring chore that you should not neglect is pruning your roses. Let me share some pruning tips to have your roses looking good this year. Today's Southern Gardening is at the Veterans Memorial Rose Garden on the campus of Mississippi State University. But before you make that first cut, you've got to have the right tools. Sharp bypass pruners, not those anvil cutters. Check. A sharp set of two-handled loppers? Check. Thick, heavy gloves because those thorns are sharp? Check. Let's get started. Most of the cutting roses we grow all bloom each year on new wood, so it's important to remove a lot of the old wood. Finding the pruning locations on the canes is pretty easy. Just look for the new buds. Prune above buds that are facing out away from the center of the plant. We are going to want to remove any canes that are damaged or dead, along with any canes that are crossing back into the center of the bush. This will help keep the center open, improve air circulation, and help reduce disease. Now's the perfect time to clean from around the base of the rose bush. Diseases and pests will overwinter in the leaf clutter from the previous year. Removing this clutter will help prevent foliar diseases. A layer of fresh compost completes the task. Following these tips will have your roses looking good for the upcoming summer season. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.